Now when you take a look at this alert I received, this is from Crazy Work. So when we come right here, you're going to be seeing that I received these funds from Crazy Work. Okay, so let's come over to this other one right here. You can see it for yourself. So this is the first one and this is the second one right here. You can see that this is actually from Crazy Work. Okay, you can see Hong Kong Fund Quest Technology Limited sent you 20.26 US dollars. Now when you come right here, you can actually see 11.83 US dollars. Now in this video I'm going to be walking you through on how you can easily withdraw from Crazy Work and also how you can leverage properly on it. Now some of us are new to it, so I'm going to be showing us how it works. Now Crazy Work has been in existence for some months now and a lot of people are into it. Now we're going to be making a full review if you actually need to put in your time rights on this platform. Now another question that comes in are questions like, I placed a withdrawal and I was unable to get it. Now in this video we are going to be talking about all this and where you should click for you to get your withdrawals very quickly. Now but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves. Now if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial of today. So right here, this is the Crazy Work. In case you're actually finding it, you're going to be finding the link on the pinned comment section so you can set up an account for yourself and you can get started with Crazy Work. Now I'm going to be making a detailed review of what you should know about this particular platform and what you should expect. Okay, so right now I logged in and you can see right here, invite rewards. This is your friends have brought you the following benefits. Now I will advise you make leveraging on this platform through referrals. Okay, so you can refer individuals to this platform and you can get rewards for that. Okay, so right now I'm going to click I know. So with that, you're already claiming that. Now what you basically do on this platform are two different things. Okay, or you can target three different things. Most people come into this platform to have fun, while some come into for the rewards. Like you and I know that we are here for the rewards, and most times it is actually enjoyable doing such adventure. Okay, so right now if you want to go ahead to start with this, just go ahead to click on this start button right here, and this is how the interface is gonna look like. Okay, so it's a very simple stuff for you to go ahead with. Now this particular option just wants you to hit this box without getting to hit this block. Okay, so it's something that is very simple that you can do yourself. Okay, so right now you can actually see that there's a mistake trying to take this task. Now majority of us will want to skip. Yes, this is where you have to pay attention. Once you skip, you're going to be missing this particular horn. Okay, so now once you go ahead taking this, you are giving chances to yourself. So I'm going to hit this like this, so you can actually see that I just got this level activated. So I have actually passed this level. So that is how the platform works. Now once you have played or taken this adventure, your point is going to be coming over to this interface right here. So once you have accumulated to around 200 points, you can come right here and claim them. Okay, you can come right here and claim everything. So right here it is not filled up. So once it's filled up to 200 over 200, you can withdraw all. Okay, so once you withdraw all, that is one option right on Crazy Work. Now you can actually find that there are options right here which you can also take advantage of. Now once you look at this 14k and 203k, there are two different withdrawals entirely which you can also take advantage of. Now when I click over to this green that is 14k, I have around $9 on my account. So you can go ahead to withdraw once you have any amount on your account. So just go ahead to click the box, so you can go ahead to withdraw once you've gotten to the minimum threshold. Now when you come over this second icon right here, you can actually see that I have over 1.32 US. So once I click on withdraw right here, it's going to bring me over to this interface where I need to withdraw to my PayPal account. So I can go ahead to place this withdrawal to my PayPal account. Once I click on confirm now, it's going to ask me to activate this withdrawal. So I'm going to withdraw what I have on my account. Okay, so that is that for the Crazy work. Okay, so it is something that you can actually try for yourself and see how it works. Now the review right here shows that this particular platform never asked anyone to deposit any funds to this platform. All you just need to do is to come in for fun or come in for rewards. So there are options right here you can take advantage on and leverage properly on this platform. So we have different options right here. You can see we have the grand prize, the mission, and the invite. So I will always advise to make sure you go through your daily mission for you to be given access to your withdrawals. Most times if you don't take actions to your daily tasks, you might not be given access to your withdrawal. So I have completed this. I need to click on receive. Okay, make sure you click on receive to receive what you have actually worked for. Okay, so right here you can actually see we also have the invite, where you can actually copy your invite link and invite others to this platform to have fun and also to get rewards for themselves. You can actually see that under grand prize, these are also your daily tasks which you can do and also claim them every time you are done with them. So this is actually a simple one which anyone can get access to. Now the secret tips you want to hear from this video is actually something you have heard. So what you're going to be doing after missing a particular level, don't actually try to skip, but make sure you try your best to finish that level and always claim what you have on every points you're seeing right here. Make sure you always claim them right here. So once you are claiming them, you are going to be having accumulated earnings on your account which you can place withdrawal on. So another thing you want to know right here is that there's what we call horn. Okay, there's what we call horn right here. You can see under this start game, you can see that there's -1. That is actually you accumulating this on for yourself on your account. So that is giving you rooms for you to have jumps whenever you want to place withdrawal on your account. So right now, another option I will want to explain about this particular platform is you coming over to this particular coin right here. You can see this coin right here. So this coin is actually what is going to help you in most times to jump a queue. I'm still going over to that aspect. Now you can see we have the green note right here, and we also have this particular one. Now when you come over to this particular icon right here, you're going to be seeing that I am having $11.8 on my account. I can go ahead to withdraw that, or better still, I can come right here and also withdraw what I have right here. Now the issue of actually being on the queue is what we are facing. Okay, so the moment you start being on a queue on this particular platform, you need to start jumping the queue for you to get your withdrawals. Now most people are actually not getting their withdrawals because there are lots of people on this platform. Okay, so right now you can see that I have $9.8, I have $20.26, I have 39.87. So the reason why I'm able to click on this is because I've gotten to the withdrawal. So once I click on this $20.26, I'm going to come right here to click on the paper, and I'm going to insert my paper right here. So what I'm going to do is to come right here and make sure I input the email right here and the name. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now, so I can show you the process of also putting in your PayPal details for your withdrawal. And I'm going to place the withdrawal, but note that the withdrawal does not actually come immediately. Okay, it does not come immediately. You just have to hold on, and most times you'll be on a queue, and that queue, I'm going to show you how you can bypass that queue so you can actually get yours instantly. And so you are going to be inputting the name of the paper. Okay, the paper you're actually using, you're going to be inputting the name right here as well. So I'm going to input that right here. I'm going to input that right here. So I'm done inputting the details of my paper. I'm going to click on confirm right here. Okay, so once I click on confirm, I come down right here. You can see that the paper has been inserted, so I'm going to click on confirm to confirm this withdrawal. Okay, so you can then come right here and click on this paper and confirm your withdrawal, and you place your withdrawal. Okay, you place your withdrawal. You can see right here, once you click on withdraw, you are going to be brought right here. See, please confirm your account. So you need to confirm. So this is the account, this is the amount I'm going to be receiving. So you click on confirm right here. Okay, so you can see has arrived. So just click on happy to accept. Okay, so the moment you click on that, you have placed withdrawal. So when you come right here, you are going to be seeing the progress of your withdrawal. Okay, so that is how to place withdrawal on your Crazy Rock. Okay, now the next thing I want you to note is that let's close this and let's go over to this other icon right here. You can actually see that on this particular one we have 11.88 for withdrawal, so you can click on withdraw right here also, and you can actually confirm this withdrawal as well. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to hit confirm. Okay, I'm going to hit confirm and accept right here. So when you come right here, you can actually see that this is the two withdrawal I just placed, so I should be expecting these funds to my PayPal. So now let me show you what you need to do. Once you keep referring individuals to this platform, don't fail to always come right to this particular icon. Now this icon, once you get over 200 to 200, you can actually withdraw everything and they are going to be adding up to your bonus. Make sure to always come right here and claim that. Another thing I want you to note is that make sure you're doing your daily tasks on your account. That is the only way you can get more rewards for yourself. Make sure you're doing your daily tasks right here. You can see mission, these three: grand prize, mission and invite. Once you take these three options very serious, you're going to be seeing that your balance is going to be accumulating. So grand prize is here. You can always come right here and take the tax and always receive them. You can see the ones I have received. Now when you come down to mission also, you can see the ones I have received. So you can come right here and make sure you're filling out all your daily tasks. That is another way. Not compulsory, you refer. So that is the basic of this Crazy Crown. There's no much thing about it. It's actually a simple and direct way for you to have fun with this platform and also get rewards. So the question you're asking right now is that are they still paying or they have stopped paying? Because as of the time making this video, Crazy Rock is actually paying its users. Okay, but make sure you're doing the right thing on your account. So you can go ahead to withdraw using your PayPal once you've gotten to the withdrawal threshold. Now right here, the withdrawal threshold is something around $0.02. Once you click on withdraw right here, you can see the minimum amount to withdraw to PayPal is around 0.2. Please keep working hard. Okay, so you can actually go ahead to place withdrawal on your account. As you can see right now that I just placed a withdrawal right here. As you can see that I am actually awaiting these two withdrawals on my account. So that is how Crazy Rock works. You can actually have fun with it and also get rewards with it. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood how Crazy Rock works and what to expect whenever you're having access to this platform. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I am ready to answer all your questions on the comment section. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. Note that this is actually a review. You can also do your own due diligence or make your own research to understand how the platform works better, so you can actually leverage properly on it. I hope you got much value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. So see you on my next video and keep winning.